In today's rapidly changing financial landscape, many are questioning whether traditional financial advisors are still the go-to option or if AI tools like ChatGPT could be a legitimate alternative. With more people turning to technology for their day-to-day needs, it's important to take a closer look at how these two compare when it comes to managing money, making investment decisions, and offering financial advice. Let's first talk about traditional financial advisors. These are the people you meet with in person or via video call to discuss your financial goals, investment strategies, and retirement plans. They're often certified professionals, meaning they've undergone years of training and passed rigorous exams. The relationship between you and your advisor can be personal and long-term. They have an understanding of your specific financial situation, preferences, and goals. This personalized approach is a key advantage. In many cases, advisors can guide you through complex financial concepts, emotional moments like market downturns, and help you make long-term decisions that align with your values. But there's also a cost to consider. The typical financial advisor charges a fee that could be a percentage of the assets they manage for you, an hourly rate, or a flat fee. Depending on the advisor, these costs can add up quickly. Plus, their recommendations can sometimes be influenced by commissions or incentives from the financial products they sell. While many advisors strive to provide the best advice, the potential conflict of interest is worth noting. Now, let's turn to AI tools like ChatGPT. It's free, it's accessible 24/7, and it's able to process vast amounts of information almost instantly. You can ask it about a range of financial topics, investment strategies, tax planning, even the best types of retirement accounts. But how does it stack up against human expertise? While ChatGPT can provide data-driven insights based on patterns and historical data, it lacks the personal connection that a human advisor provides. ChatGPT doesn't understand your personal circumstances the way an advisor would. It can't take into account factors like your emotional risk tolerance or life changes in the same way a human advisor can. That said, one of ChatGPT's biggest strengths is its ability to analyze large volumes of financial information quickly and present that data in an understandable way. For example, if you're considering an investment in stocks, ChatGPT can pull up real-time market data, analyze historical trends, and even give you a breakdown of what various analysts are saying. It's like having a financial encyclopedia at your fingertips. If you're someone who enjoys doing your own research, this could be a great way to enhance your decision-making process without the extra costs of hiring an advisor. But what about the decision-making process? When it comes to managing money, advisors often help guide you through the emotional ups and downs that come with investing. They know that the stock market can be unpredictable, and during times of volatility, a human advisor can offer reassurance. AI, on the other hand, while incredibly data-driven, doesn't have the ability to understand your emotional state or provide the kind of empathy you might need during a financial crisis. A financial advisor can give you a comforting voice on the other side of the phone when things are uncertain, whereas ChatGPT, while knowledgeable, is still just a machine. Another area where traditional advisors shine is in the planning process. A financial advisor doesn't just tell you what to invest in, they help you create a comprehensive financial plan, taking into account your short-term and long-term goals, risk tolerance, and life circumstances. They'll also consider things like tax implications, estate planning, and retirement goals. This kind of holistic planning requires a deep understanding of not just the financial world, but your unique life situation. ChatGPT, on the other hand, can provide valuable information and suggestions, but it lacks the ability to create truly personalized plans with the depth that a human advisor can. Now, let's talk about accessibility. This is where ChatGPT and other AI tools have a clear edge. Financial advisors are often limited by working hours and may charge higher fees for access outside of standard consultation times. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is available anytime, anywhere. Whether you're working late or you're on the go, you can ask ChatGPT questions at your convenience. And, because it's free, you don't have to worry about paying extra for advice. But that doesn't mean that ChatGPT is perfect. While it's great for getting general advice or understanding financial concepts, it isn't infallible. It can only work with the data it's been trained on and doesn't have the ability to track your real-time financial situation or adapt in real time to significant changes in your life. A financial advisor, by contrast, can adjust your financial plan on the fly as your circumstances change. So, which is better, ChatGPT or a traditional financial advisor? The truth is, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're seeking a high level of personalization, expert guidance through emotional and complex situations, and long-term relationship-based planning, a financial advisor is the way to go. But, if you're looking for quick, data-driven insights, educational content, or to get a clearer understanding of various financial concepts without breaking the bank, ChatGPT could be a useful tool in your financial toolkit. In an ideal world, you wouldn't have to choose between the two. You could use ChatGPT for research, insights, and educational purposes, and then turn to a human advisor for more personalized, in-depth planning. By combining the strengths of both, you can make smarter, more informed financial decisions. The future of financial planning might just be a hybrid approach where AI complements human expertise. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you prefer the human touch, or do you think AI like ChatGPT is the future of financial advice?